In this second video we will start with adjusting parameters. You enter number 1, click in the right place, number 1, and here you can see you can enter the payback percentage for race number 1 and the payback percentage for other races. Usually the payback percentage is something like about 60%, but it's quite a good idea to have it slightly higher on the first race, because if you get a good payout on that one, it does sort of encourage people to go on and bet well during the evening. Number 3 enables you to set the betting unit in pence. This is usually something like 50 pence, or you could make it £1 if you wanted, or you could even do it down at 10p if you really wanted to work very hard. And when you come to the payout, number 4 enables you to round the payout to the nearest 5 or 10 pence. F or T entered there appropriately. Number 5 is the starting number on the tickets, between 1 and 100. Normally the tickets are in books of 100, and when you start, obviously the first ticket will be showing number 1. So if you with the program entered that number 1 was showing on the ticket book, that would indicate that none had been sold, because this starting number is deducted from the number of bets that you enter in the earlier part of the program. The data file name is where you can store the details for this particular race. It defaults to racenite.dat, but you can change it to something that you choose. And number 7 returns you to the main menu. So if we go back to the main menu with number 7, that's adjusting parameters dealt with. Number 2 is where you edit the names and the sponsors. So if we go into race number 1, as at the moment you can see that there are 8 horses. They've all got names at the moment: Triffid, etc., No Imagination, Lightning Strike, etc., but they have no sponsors. So down at the bottom you can change a line 0 to 9. Number 0 is actually the race number, number 9 is the race number. 0 enables you change to a different race. That's it. So if we were going to change the sponsor on horse number 2, for instance, if we enter 2, you'll see that the cursor has moved up to the name for number 2. If you want to retain it and keep the name as before, you just press enter and it will keep it, and then you can change it to Fred Spoons, although it's very sensible to do all this in capitals because it shows on the screen better. Fred Spoons, enter and back again. Let's change number 7. We'll change it to Clever Monkey, and sponsored by Bill Blogs. That's right. Slight problems with the display there, but it also what was there? Bill Blogs. Something I did slightly wrong there. Number 7. Clever Monkey. Oh, that's it. You press enter twice. That's it. Bill Blogs. Didn't quite do it right. So once you've got all the names in perfectly okay, you're fine. You can leave that part of the program. When you first enter, all the names are blank. If you're starting from a blank system, and it starts at horse number 1, name number 1, and enables you to enter all the horses and sponsors one after the other without having to jump from the bottom up to the top. So that's entering names and sponsors, and the next thing we'll go on to is how we look at results. So if we go back to the main menu, that's where we'll be beginning from.